In this video we are going to understand what is air quality index, AQI in short. Actually, whenever any news bulletin telecasted regarding the forecast and weather, so at that time, in as far as international standards are concerned, every news channel has to mention or has to inform the people what is AQI of their city right now. But in India, this type of so what we can say, this is not in function right now. Whenever you are watching the news channel regarding the weather forecast and anything, you never ever heard this word AQI, but that is quite important because right now whenever the polluted cities, most polluted cities banner was there, in that Delhi was one of the top most polluted cities after China. China is Beijing, but recently the AQI list is published. The average AQI of all over the world, the most polluted cities, the 10 in initial 10 most polluted cities, 6 Indian cities are there. As you can imagine how much concern or how much danger we have. And in these 6 cities there is Delhi, means three cities are the part of NCR, 3 or 4 I can say, Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad. Okay, now here you can see the meter of how we are distributing the air quality. So air quality can be good, that is the most prior thing, and it should be. Second, moderate, means having some pollutant. Then a bit severe, unhealthy for sensitive groups, and then this starts the danger zone, unhealthy, very unhealthy and hazardous. Okay. Now we will see how this is categorized. So how it is measured? AQI quality index, right, indicates whether pollutant level in air may cause health concern. That is the part. Ranges from 0 to 500, and 500 means the greatest concern. And lastly, air pollution of any city or country is based on AQI, means better the AQI, better will be the city, worst AQI, worse will be the pollution level. Now this is the chart. Now this is quite important, we will discuss it in quite brief. So firstly, the first category starts green zone. As we see, the AQI should be within 0 to 50, means the air quality is good. So air quality is considered satisfactory and air pollution poses little or no risk. Fine. Second category is a bit severe, 51 to 100. Now it goes in yellow band. It is moderate. What it says, air quality is acceptable, however for some pollutants there may be a moderate health concern for a very small number of people who are unusually sensitive to air pollution. Means you can say the person, the people who has asthma or respiratory diseases, they will get affected in this type of AQI. There is also one thing I want to mention. Whenever international travelers are traveling, they also search for the AQI of the city where they are going, because that is quite important. Means if a person is traveling from one city to another or one country to another, definitely that person should check the AQI, because if that person is quite sensitive to the air pollution, so it is going to affect his health, his or her health, and he or she may get ill as soon as he reach to that destination. Okay. Third point is third range is 101 to 150, that is orange. Unhealthy for sensitive groups. Member of sensitive groups may experience health effects. The general public is not likely to be affected. Means up to 150 we are a bit okay. I'm not saying we are comfortable with that, but we are a bit okay. Maximum the AQI should be in the range of 0 to 100. That is a good thing. But if it goes beyond 101, the dangerous alarm starts ticking. Next, 151 to 200, and that is red. It is unhealthy for everyone. Everyone may begin to experience health effects. Members of sensitive group may experience more serious health effects. Means if they are sensitive to this level, so this will be definitely very dangerous to them. Next to that, 201 to 300, it's a purple, very unhealthy. Health alerts, everyone may experience more serious health effects. After discussing with the this chart, we are going to discuss what are the components of AQI, means on which parameters we decide the AQI. Okay, and lastly we will check what are the AQIs of the cities in 2019 and what is the recent AQI in the lockdown period, because that matters a lot, that how much we are damaging the whole earth or the environment. Okay, and last category is 301 to 500. It's a maroon color, hazardous. Health warning of emergency conditions, the entire population is more likely to be affected. Now before some month Delhi was above 500. You can imagine the health concern to the people living in Delhi. So it is like to say that if you are breathing in Delhi environment for a whole day, it is as good as you had inhaled 20 cigarettes. Means that is the severity. Next, now these are the pollutants deciding AQI: carbon monoxide, CO, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter. Now we discuss particulate matter a bit in a short while, and we will also discuss it. We had already discussed it in also detail, particulate matter. And lastly, ground level ozone. Now carbon monoxide, CO, what are the source? Incomplete combustion of fossil fuel, car exhaust, that you know. And what is the health effects? Headache, fatigue and impaired vision. Next to that, sulfur dioxide, source, produced when coal and fuel oil are burned, power plant exhaust. We had discussed power plant are the main source of two gases, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, and they also cause acid rain and all that. Now health effects: narrows the airway, causing breathless and shortness of breath, especially in those with asthma. So again, the people who are sensitive to respiratory diseases, they will get affected by this. Third one is nitrogen dioxide. The source is produced when nitric oxide combines with oxygen in the atmosphere, present in car exhaust and power plant. Again, power plant matters a lot. Health effects: it affects lungs and cause wheezing, increases chances of respiratory infection. Next to that, particulate matter. Now this is a small particles. We had already discussed PM10 and PM2.5, present in many sources including fossil fuels, dust, smokes, fog, etc. Now health effects: it can affect the respiratory system because it's very small tiny particles. It will come along with the air in your respiratory system and cling to the lungs and inner cells. None aggravates heart and lung diseases. Now these are all about the particles. Now we will discuss the AQI of the cities. Now see here, Ghaziabad, Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Greater Noida, and Bandhavri. A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Within initial 10 most polluted cities in the world, 6 cities are from India. Then 3 cities are from Pakistan and 1 city is from China, means we are accompanied with our neighbors. Again we will go with the average AQI. Now here you can see all data is about 200. So we will again go back to the slide where we had discussed 200 and above. See this purple, very unhealthy, health alert, everyone may experience more serious health effect, means all the 10 cities are in the purple zone. What we had discussed, up to 0 to 150 it is okay, means we can live in a better manner, but this is quite dangerous. Now again going back to the same criteria, Ghaziabad 315.3. now Ghaziabad overtakes Delhi. This is the condition after harvesting. What we had discussed in air pollution, that after harvesting the crops, people used to burn the residues, and this will definitely going to increase the pollution level. And this is Ghaziabad 315, followed by China, again 2 cities of Pakistan, 3 cities of India, 1 city of Pakistan, 2 city of India. Now this is the count of average count of AQI in 2019. Now we will discuss the lockdown period. AQI of most polluted cities in the world year 2019 during lockdown. Now see the changes, the drastic change. Ghaziabad from 300 reached to 102. China 117. In fact, China is rising right now. If you see the current AQI of China, it is near about 130, because this city is not under lockdown period, that's why it is running and pollution is getting created. Then Pakistan 112, Islamabad 106, Delhi 123.2. it is reduced but not to that level. Noida 101, Gurugram 94, Ravin 107, Greater Noida 100, and Mandawari 95. Means what we can say, the air quality index from purple zone, now they are in orange zone, means a bit okay, the environment is good, means this indicates how much damage we are creating for the mother earth, because no other animal or no other, what we can say, any living thing is producing pollution except us. Okay, so that's it for air quality point. Thank you.